रिफ्रेशिंग गाना है, मतलब मुझे लग रहा है हर कोई हम करते हुए निकल रहा है ये गाना सुनते ही. What was your first reaction when you heard the song? क्योंकि जब परफॉर्म करना होता है तो फिर गाना भी वैसा ही चाहिए.
You know, honestly, he got this electronic sound which is very current today in hip hop music all over the world. That so that all started coming in, and the song just went to another level. And I think when they made Sajid sir hear it, he has one of the best ears you have in the industry today, and he has this reputation of having no, honestly, he has a reputation of always having hit songs. You know, whether it's been with Dad or whether it's been with Sabir
we are good
or
Kansen.
So I think the team of Rohit, Sajid sir and Preetham sir all together has come up with this.
How was it dancing with Jacqueline and John?
Oh, super. Jackie is a fireball.
John didn't dance.
Yeah. John did the
Intense
peck
look.
dance. Dance with the chest and his bicep. He picks her up. But I got to dance with Jackie, and she's a tremendous dancer. I think she's immensely flexible, immensely professional, and I think the most important thing, she's very happy. उसको कुछ भी करा लो बहुत खुश है वो.
तो जान से को कहने में हर्ष क्या है? So मतलब in real life if we ask you this thing तो मतलब कितनी बार लोगों ने कहा है?
नहीं, किसी के लिए नहीं कहा, पर मैं डिशुम के लिए कहा होगा. ये पिक्चर के लिए मैं डेफिनेटली जान दे सकता हूँ, एंड बिकॉज आई रियली बिलीव इन इट. एंड जैसे कि इन्होंने पायरेसी का इशू का, सो इन द फिल्म वी डू प्ले कॉप्स, मी एंड जॉन, सो वी आर अगेंस्ट दिस इन लाइफ ऑल्सो, एंड इन द फिल्म ऑल्सो वी आर देयर टू सॉल्व क्राइम, वी आर देयर टू स्टैंड अप फॉर द गुड. So we are playing these good characters that stand up for good things, and I think for any good cause, I would want to stand up and put my life in line. For any good cause, we try to support.
So in the movie we see that Virat Kohli's character is being
Virat Sharma.
Yeah. So does real life Virat Kohli know about it? What you guys have?
He knows about it. He knows about it. No, he's totally cool with it. So I know Virat. I'm calling him Virat. I know Virat because we are on a team together, the Goa FC in the ISL. So I think when the film was being made, also he knew about it, and I sent him the trailer. He saw it and stuff, and he said, as long as I'm shown as a good guy, it's cool. And he asked me if he's hitting any people. I said no, no, but he's totally cool.
Desi Boy had a great music, and after Desi Boys, even this film marks the return of Rohit Dhawan and Preetham. So what kind of album can we expect from this film, and how many songs are there?
No, he's got that DNA from his family. Dad, when he made a first film for me, Judwa, it was great music. Then he made Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, great music. He made Desi Boys, and same track is repeating. If you hear the other two tracks, you'll be amazed. We've got a great album.
How many songs are there?
There's about 3 to 4.
हर बार देखते हैं इस तरीके से गाना.
Yes, why not?
Varun, when it comes to film promotions, आप हमेशा like हर event पे जाते हो, always a big part of the promotion. But John, अभी हमें इसके आगे promotions पे देखने मिलेंगे और इसी busy.
डेफिनेटली देखने मिलेंगे. इट्स अ बिट अर्ली क्योंकि फिल्म जुलाई 29 को रिलीज हो रही है, एंड वी आर स्टिल इन जून, एंड जॉन इज शूटिंग फॉर फोर्स. ही इज कमिंग बैक ऑन द 21st, एंड देन ऑनवर्ड्स, एंड सो इज जैकलीन कमिंग बैक ऑन द 23rd. बट ये गाना हमें लॉन्च करना था, एंड आई रियली बिलीव इन दिस ट्रैक, इवन फॉर द ऑडियो एंड द विजुअल in general. So I think Sajid sir said that we should do something. So we decided to do it with you guys. You know, we've shown you the song before the public or the Aam Janta can see it, so that you all get a taste of it and get an idea of it.
But it's quite an action-packed sequence. Like the entire movie is quite packed with action. So any particular person or actor that you get inspired from?
Get inspired from who does really good action. I think we have so many action heroes here. Today, we have so many homegrown action heroes. I think Tiger is outstanding what he's done in Baghi. There's a sequence that Tom Cruise did in Mission Impossible where he hung off the plane for 6 minutes. So that was tremendous. So I can seek inspiration from that. And then there are so many over here like Hrithik Roshan, Salman Bhai, Akshay Kumar is amazing. So yeah, I get inspired by homegrown talent as well.
Varun, you have spoken about Hollywood. You dub for Captain America. You spoke about Hollywood films doing good business.
Yeah.
And even Dishum is, if I'm not wrong, Dishum is releasing with Born Legacy.
Yeah.
So do you see that as a threat or competition, or what do you have to say about that?
See, honestly, I can say is that I come from a family that loves cinema, and if you made a good film, it'll work, I feel. I mean, just see Sairat today, what it's done. And just on the basis of being a great film, I saw it that day and I was blown away. And I think if you make a good film, then it'll work. Nothing else matters.
Varun, you're quite a versatile actor. We've seen in various.
I hope so. I don't know. Some people tell me I'm not. Some people वो बदलता रहता है हर
What
हफ्ते.
is your personal choice, like action or comedy or romance?
My personal choice is good films. I think I just want to do good cinema, good films that entertain people. It's as simple as that. people can say that अरे ये मासी है, ये मसाला है, ये वो, but when films work, they work for a reason. Like Sajid sir said also. There's no people make the films work.
Varun, apart from films also, you like there are people that you have been replaced as one of the biggest snack brands you have been replaced by Ranbir Kapoor.
I would not like to comment.
Varun, you also have Dream Tour coming up with Siddharth and Alia. How excited are you?
Very excited about that. I think because like you asked also that what can we expect from the album. So I'm expecting that I get 2-3 more songs to perform from Dishum over there.
Somebody said the poster looks quite similar to Due Date. Is that Due Date, the Hollywood poster?
Okay.
Is that
Which one? Dream one or this one?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah?
I don't think either of us look like Robert Downey Jr. So, or I hope I don't look like that. No, I think it's just the walk. If you're walking, but there's no similarity for sure.